So, tired of seeing that pesky DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error or the annoying dev error 5761 while trying to enjoy Warzone? No worries, in this video I've got 3 super easy methods to help you kick those errors to the curb and get you back into gaming. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Install the latest version of the DirectX end user runtime. To do this, just click on the link provided in the description below, then select your language and hit that download button. Once downloaded, open the file and give permission by clicking it. Next, accept the agreement and keep clicking next. But make sure to untick the option for installing the Bing bar. Now, if there is a DirectX download available for your Windows 11, hit next and let it do its thing. Sit back, relax, and wait until it's all done. Once finished, hit that sweet finish button and uncheck if the error is a thing of the past. Solution 2. Run Warzone in DirectX 11 mode. First off, fire up the Call of Duty launcher, then hit up the settings icon and head over to the game settings. Next, make sure to tick that box labeled additional command line arguments. Now type in dd11-d space d space 11 in the box and hit enter. Lastly, give Warzone a whirl and see if the error is history. Solution 3. Reset in-game settings. For this, open up File Explorer and navigate to the Documents folder, find your Call of Duty folder and dive in. Locate the player folder and give it that boot. Now, see if the game fires up without any hiccups. Solution 4. Repair the game. To do this, open up the Call of Duty launcher once more, click on the settings icon and select Scan and Repair. Hit Begin Scan and let the launcher work its magic. If it finds any issues, just click Update and let it sort things out. Once it's done, fire up the game and hope you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.